Why do millions of crypto enthusiasts bark for Shiba Inu? Let's unleash the secrets behind the strongest meme coin army. Shiba Inu, or Shib, isn't just another coin. It's a movement. Think Dogecoin but with more bite. Launched as an experiment in decentralized community building, Shib has skyrocketed in popularity, thanks to its loyal followers known as the Shib Army. Shiba Inu found its way into the spotlight, backed by influencers and crypto enthusiasts alike. Even the legendary Elon Musk has tweeted about it. Talk about barking up the right tree. Check out Shiba Inu's Twitter, boasting over 2 million followers. That's more fans than some pop stars. This massive community is what fuels Shib's unstoppable momentum. And guess what? Shib runs on the Ethereum blockchain, known for its robust and secure network. So, you're not just putting your trust in a meme, you're banking on solid tech. Created by an anonymous developer named Ryoshi, Shiba Inu was designed to revolutionize the world of meme coins. And boy, has it delivered. So if you're looking to join the strongest meme coin army in the world, Shiba Inu is your best bet. Ready to dive into the world of Shib? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us for the latest in meme coins and crypto trends. Remember folks, Shiba Inu isn't just a coin, it's a community. Woof, woof.